Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mod your RK84 to make it sound from this to something like this. To start things off, grab your RK84, make sure not to break it, and remove all the keycaps and switches. Here, I'm removing all of the stabilizers. And unscrewing the PCB and the plate from the case. I am going to do 2 layers of tape mod because I think that works the best, and there is actually no point in doing any more. I'm also doing the medical tape mod, which involves putting the medical tape onto the PCB to make the stabilizers less rattly. Here I'm putting foam into the case to make the case sound less hollow. I'm doing a quick test to see that I didn't break the whole board. For this keyboard, I'm going to be using the Akko Cream Yellow V3s because they sound very good. I'm going to be using the stock keycaps because I have no idea which color theme I have for my setup, so I'm just gonna go white on black with 3D printed white accents. And I'm going to be leaving you guys with a sound test, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, please make sure to subscribe because I spend a lot of time making these videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.